Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the prerequisites so the update won't fail. Make sure your phone has at least 50% battery or is plugged in, and connect to stable Wi-Fi because updates can be large. Once done, back up your photos and important files to cloud storage or a computer. This protects data if something goes wrong. Now open Settings, scroll to System or Software Update, and tap Check for updates to start the download process immediately. You should tap Download when the update appears, and watch the progress so you know how long it will take. While the phone verifies and prepares the package, avoid restarting or interrupting the process because corruption causes failed installs. If you prefer, schedule install for a low-use time like overnight. Otherwise, choose Install Now and let the device reboot automatically. During installation, the screen may go black and reboot several times. After the final reboot, you'll complete any setup prompts and then verify the new Android version under Settings About Phone. This confirms success. If the update fails or the phone gets stuck, first free up storage and restart, then retry the update. You can also boot into safe mode to rule out app conflicts. If problems persist, use the manufacturer's recovery tool or contact your carrier for guided support. These steps help you recover without losing data whenever possible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.